Alright guys, today we talk about this fantastic fabric over here, which is called Percale. Yeah, that one that you see when you purchase bed sheets. Percale is a fantastic fabric with a smooth and very clean surface, very fresh. It's mainly used for bed sheets, but we can find Percale also in shirts, light dresses and clothing. I have a fantastic white Percale over here. Today we will see the constructions, properties and many other interesting things. Let's have a closer look together. Percale is a fabric that derives from the Persian word pargala. I'm sorry for the pronunciation, I barely know English, let alone Persian. And then imported from India, was quite spread throughout Europe in the 17th and 18th centuries. It has always been used for bedding and lightweight clothing due to its comfort and durability. How do you obtain durability and comfort in textiles? I have our fantastic linen tester over here. Let's see through it the Percale. Weaving pattern of Percale is a plain weave. In fact, Percale is a woven fabric. If you see my videos, you already know that fabrics change mainly for weaving pattern, but also for several other features like yarn density, composition, and many other things. Anyway, weaving pattern is a plain weave 1-1, so very easy so far. But the peculiar feature of Percale is the high density of threads per centimeter. And when I say high density, I mean really high. This feature makes Percale super durable, resistant and fresh by touching it. We talk about 70 threads per square centimeter minimum. In fact, in this sample I am analyzing, we have 80 threads per square centimeter, 48 warp and 35 wefts. Wow, I'm an eagle, also the packaging says it. Consider that a shirt has generally 30 or 35 threads per square centimeters. It's very much, guys. Consider that reaching 70, 80 or 160 yarns per square centimeters means two things. You have much covering and softness on one hand, but you need super thin yarns on the other hand. That's why bed sheets are sold with this TC, that means thread counts per square inch. If you don't know anything about TC, here's my video explaining it. Let's get back to Percale. It's a fresh fabric with a high density of yarns, at least 70 per square centimeters as mentioned. Has a medium weight, generally from 100 to 180 grams per square meters. Is a very compact fabric with a plain weave pattern. Has a super smooth hand, a little crisp. Long cotton fibers are used in order to be fresher. Thin and dry yarns are used to be more compact. Many of you might think, is Percale better than satin? It depends. Satin changes for the weaving pattern, is also more elegant and lucent, but on the other hand, satin tends to retain more heat and can make you sweat a little bit more. I prefer Percale. Honestly, if you need some durability and freshness, Percale is fantastic, guys. Also remember that we can have Percales made of polyester. In this case, we improve durability, but we lower down breathability. That's it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the content of this video. You will find my details below, along with my email, Reddit, and so on. If you need any textile help, I'm at my disposal, naturally. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and always remember that as long as we have yarns, fabrics, and in this case, Percale, there will always be a story to tell. Last but not least, I'd like to thank you, each of you, for the small donations and the emails that you write me every now and then. Much appreciated, guys. That's all for today. I hope to see you guys in the next video.